This massive tropical fruit can weigh over 100 pounds. Its thick skin is covered in spikes, and inside lies one of the most complex fruit processing operations in the modern food industry. Every single day, thousands of giant jackfruit move through high-tech factory lines where precision machinery and skilled workers transform them into perfectly packaged food products. But behind this strangely satisfying process is a world of automation, razor-sharp machinery, industrial sanitation, and incredible engineering. Today, we're going inside a modern jackfruit factory to witness how one of the world's largest fruits is processed on an industrial scale. Jackfruit is one of the fastest-growing plant-based food products in the world. Originally grown across South and Southeast Asia, this giant fruit is now exported globally for snacks, desserts, frozen foods, vegan meat alternatives, and ready-to-eat meals. But processing jackfruit is not simple. Its enormous size, sticky latex, thick outer shell, and delicate edible pods make it one of the most difficult fruits to handle in mass production. That's why modern factories now combine robotics, conveyor automation, precision cutting systems, and strict hygiene control to process thousands of fruits every day. And the process begins long before the fruit reaches the factory floor. Before sunrise, trucks loaded with fresh jackfruit begin arriving at the processing facility. Each fruit is carefully unloaded and moved onto massive conveyor systems. Workers inspect the jackfruit for size, ripeness, color, and surface damage. Only fruits that meet strict quality standards continue into production. Some factories even use AI-powered vision scanners that can detect imperfections invisible to the human eye. The selected fruits are then washed using high-pressure water systems. This step removes dirt, insects, bacteria, and sap residue from the rough outer skin. Because jackfruit naturally releases a sticky latex substance, sanitation is critical. Industrial cleaning systems continuously sanitize both the fruit and the processing equipment to prevent contamination. Once cleaned, the massive fruits move deeper into the factory, and this is where the real transformation begins. Cutting jackfruit by hand is extremely difficult. The fruit's outer shell is thick and resistant, while its sticky interior can easily damage blades and machinery. In traditional markets, workers often use oil-coated knives just to prevent sticking. But inside a modern factory, giant automated cutting stations handle the job with incredible speed. Rotating blades slice through the heavy fruit with precision. Some jackfruits are cut in half, while others are divided into multiple sections, depending on the final product. Workers wearing protective gloves carefully guide the fruit along the conveyor belts. As the fruit opens, rows of bright yellow pods become visible inside. These pods contain the edible flesh and seeds. The smell inside the factory becomes intensely sweet and tropical. But despite the satisfying visuals, the process remains highly technical. Every cut must minimize waste while preserving the delicate texture of the fruit. Too much pressure can crush the pods. Too little precision can slow down the entire production line. After cutting, the fruit sections move into extraction stations. This is where workers and machines separate the edible pods from the fibrous interior. The inside of a jackfruit is incredibly complex. Sticky fibers connect every pod to the fruit's core. Factories use specialized extraction tools designed to remove the pods quickly without damaging them. Workers perform repetitive motions with astonishing speed. Some factories also use robotic gripping systems to assist in separation. The yellow fruit bulbs are collected into sanitized stainless steel containers. Meanwhile, the seeds are separated for other food products. In some countries, jackfruit seeds are roasted, boiled, or processed into flour. Even the leftover fibers may later be used for compost, animal feed, or industrial recycling. Almost nothing goes to waste, and that efficiency is one reason modern food factories are becoming increasingly advanced. Once extracted, the fruit pods move into another cleaning stage. Cold, purified water removes remaining fibers and latex residue. Workers inspect every batch under bright industrial lighting. Damaged pods are removed immediately. Factories maintain strict food safety regulations during this stage. Temperature control is carefully monitored to preserve freshness. Some facilities even operate under near pharmaceutical-level sanitation standards. Hairnets, gloves, masks, and sterilized uniforms are mandatory. Every surface is continuously cleaned to prevent bacterial growth. Because jackfruit is highly perishable, speed is essential. From harvest to packaging, the entire process must move rapidly to maintain flavor and texture. And this leads directly into one of the most satisfying parts of the factory: packaging. The cleaned fruit pods travel toward high-speed packaging machines. Sensors measure weight and portion size with incredible precision. Some packages are designed for supermarkets. Others are prepared for frozen export markets or food service industries. Vacuum sealing systems remove air to extend shelf life. Modified atmosphere packaging helps preserve color and freshness during international shipping. Robotic arms stack containers with perfect synchronization. Labels are printed automatically with batch numbers, expiration dates, and traceability codes. Every package can be traced back to its original harvest location. This level of industrial organization allows factories to ship jackfruit products across the world within days, and demand is rising rapidly, especially in the United States and Europe, where jackfruit has become popular as a plant-based meat substitute. Its shredded texture closely resembles pulled pork when cooked. That unexpected trend has transformed jackfruit from a regional tropical fruit into a global industrial product. After packaging, the products move into massive refrigerated storage rooms. Temperature-controlled systems keep the fruit fresh before shipping. Forklifts transport pallets through giant industrial warehouses, operating 24 hours a day. Some shipments travel only a few miles. Others cross entire oceans. Modern logistics networks allow tropical fruit processed in Asia to appear on supermarket shelves in America within days. Every stage of transportation is monitored digitally. If temperatures rise even slightly, automated alerts can stop an entire shipment. Because in global food manufacturing, consistency is everything, and one small mistake could destroy thousands of pounds of product. Factories like this represent the future of food production. What once required hundreds of manual laborers can now be completed using advanced automation, robotics, AI inspection systems, and industrial engineering. But despite all the machinery, human skill still plays a critical role. From inspection to extraction, experienced workers remain essential to maintaining quality. And as global demand for processed foods continues to grow, facilities like these are expanding faster than ever, turning giant tropical fruits into perfectly organized export products with astonishing efficiency. From massive conveyor systems to precision cutting machines to robotic packaging lines, this is the hidden industrial world behind modern jackfruit production. And for millions of consumers around the world, this entire process remains completely invisible. Until now. Thanks for watching Industrial Vibe. Subscribe for more hidden factory documentaries, mega machines, and dangerous industrial processes from around the world.